Yeah, see what your boy is making now live using Forex Trendy. If you don't know how to use the Forex Trendy strategy, then I believe you ain't making no nothing. See, live. Okay. I'm showing you something about Forex, that there's every power of success in Forex. Success. Real account, live account. Okay. So don't think like maybe someone is showing you fake stuff, because some people do think it's fake and you will believe it's fake, and you go nowhere because you believe everything you see is fake. See, live. You want to get Forex Trendy? Look at the link under this video. You will see Forex Trendy. Seeing is believing, okay? I'm not just talking about Forex Trendy. You might say, okay, why am I sharing this information with you? But I will tell you, well, I've been used to sharing and sharing. That is why. Thank you. I will continue to update you. I just took this trade a few weeks ago. Maybe it's now a week, and I'm using a very low tiny lot. Very low tiny lot I'm using. I'm using very low tiny lot on these things. You understand? And this is what is going on now. This is what the Forex Trendy can do for you. You understand? It's not a fake. You see the date. You see the account, how it's mining. You see what is going on. Can you see it? Live, real. And if you are on this date, you will see that this is even the signal I've been sharing. Maybe I share some other signal with those people taking my signal at this date, but they can see I'm sharing this signal too. So what I do is what I share. What I use is what I share. You want the Forex Trendy? Check the description under this video. Thank you so much.